Hi folks, welcome back to our virtual farm field trip. My name is Emily, and together this week we're going to be learning about restoration. Restoration, repairing and taking care of damaged ecosystems. Our native ecosystem here on the farm is actually wetlands. We're on the floodplain of the Sammamish River just over there. And Jess, our restoration specialist, and her army of volunteers have spent tireless hours reclaiming and restoring about 2.5 acres of wetlands on our property. And they're gonna go for 5 acres. Now, why do you think we spend all this time and energy restoring wetlands on our farm? How does it help the farm? Well, today and this week, we're gonna be exploring that question along with what is a native plant and how do wetlands and restored ecosystems help our world? Lots of big questions, so stay tuned and join us.